What's going on, guys? Today I'm making this video with no edit, no nothing, just plain, just raw, I guess is the right way to call it. Like, there's gonna be no editing, there's gonna be no cutting, there's gonna be nothing. It's just gonna be me talking to the camera right now. Reason being is I got sucked into doing the other things that I ended up making this video really late, and but I want to make it either way, just because I have a message. There's something that I want to say, and why I'm making the video either way, and instead of just saying I'm gonna skip the day for of uploading. Even though it's Vlogmas, I've committed to doing daily for the whole 25 days, or maybe even up until the 1st. So the reason why I'm doing it, the reason why I didn't skip a day, is because I decided, you know, I decided to take on this challenge, right? As a personal challenge. I decided that I was gonna do this. I decided to stay committed, and I want to stay committed. There's been people that I have you know, skipped a day or two, and that's fine. Like, you know, that's you. But me, I don't want to skip, and the reason why I don't want to skip is because I don't want to lose my momentum. I don't want to slow down. I don't want to stop, because sometimes what happens is when you start to lose that momentum, you might feel, okay, like I skipped a day, and maybe next time you might not be able to upload again, and you're gonna be like, you know, it'll be fine, it'll be just another day. And sometimes when you start to lose that momentum, you start to slow down, and you start to like put less effort into certain things because you start losing the momentum. It's like anything else, right? Like, I've got these other things going on, and I don't want to stop working on them. I don't want to slow down, because once I start grabbing the momentum, I feel even better about doing things. I feel even like I feel like trying even harder and harder, and I feel better about myself because I'm actually doing the work. I'm actually like I'm actually putting in the time for these things, right? And I don't slow down, I don't stop. I feel like that's key for when you are doing something. Do not slow down. Do not lose your momentum. Once you start getting that momentum going, do not stop, because sometimes when you stop, it's hard to get it going again. And sometimes even people give up on certain things because they stopped for a certain amount of time, and then they don't feel like going back at it because they have to regain that momentum. And sometimes it's difficult, sometimes it's hard to get back up. So right now I've got my momentum going. I've got, you know, I've been doing it, like I've been uploading daily. I've actually, you know, kept up with it, and you know, doing other things that I'm working on, and then the holidays, and then buying the gifts and other things here and there, right? Like, I've got quite a few things going on, but I don't want to lose the momentum that I've got on YouTube. I don't want to, like, you know, on Vlogmas. I don't want to lose the momentum I have on my real estate. I don't want to lose the momentum that I have on these other things that I'm working on. Like, I just don't want to stop. I don't want to slow down. That is something that, if you are, whatever it is that you're working on, keep that momentum going. And if you don't have it yet, gain that momentum and don't slow down. That's it for this one, guys. Bye.